So, XRP, what is going on? It's $2.82 as we speak, and I'm going to give you guys all of the news that you need to know.
This video is based solely on my opinion and what I'm personally doing in this market. I want to also let you know that some of the links below are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission, but this will be at no extra cost to you.
And please remember, guys, under no circumstances will I ever contact you and ask you for investments. You can confirm all of my real social media handles in the description.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy sitting in his room.
And let's jump over to the chart first. You see my wedge pattern. We did dip below the lower end, and now we are back right in the middle, right at the bottom of that wedge pattern. Now, as you know, I think XRP is going to break to the upside. And what I think is that XRP has been pushed down and held down by the rest of the market. Now, I say I think this because I don't know what will happen. But of course, I put my money where my mouth is, leaving my XRP trade open here and the bigger trade with USDT right here, still open, waiting for a push to the upside, hopefully, right? Over here on BYDFI, I can trade using XRP as collateral, so I generate more XRP. And as I think there's going to be a move to the upside from here, I'm hoping that I can generate even more XRP. So we are in the final days of our trading competition, guys. There's 2,100 XRP up for grabs. And if you want to get your name on this leaderboard, all you have to do is sign up to the affiliate link and start trading on BYDFI. Of course, do your own research before choosing to do that. Now, according to Crypto's Batman here, XRP has successfully swept the closest liquidity, faking a breakdown from its support level. Now that it has reclaimed that support, it looks strong and ready to push higher. An entry here looks good, but waiting for further confirmation on breakout works too. Now you can see if you are a breakout trader, he's got a similar pattern played out that I have, and a breakout trader would wait for the breakout and the confirmed retest here, depending on how you want to play this. We also have the Federal Reserve announcing it will hold a conference on October 21st discussing crypto stablecoins, tokenization, and AI. And this could be bullish, according to Joshua Jake, for a number of cryptocurrencies, including XRP. We also have Jim Cramer saying XRP will never hit $10, which is a reverse indicator, according to a lot of people on the internet. So this could be meaning that XRP will definitely hit $10. Now, don't quote me on that, but he's been a lot wrong a lot of the times. Now, today is important because we have initial jobless claims coming out, and this will, of course, affect the chances of there being an interest rate cut. Right now, rate cuts probability have hit 97%. And if we do get a rate cut, it could be a boost to the markets. Of course, the overall markets like the S&P 500, like the NASDAQ, right? That could be a good boost for that. Plus, it could also be a good liquidity boost for the crypto markets. Now, I would expect there to be somewhat of a buy the rumor, sell the news event happening, but I think that will be short term, and I do think we are going to head significantly higher from here. We also have the S&P 500, one of the strongest bull runs in decades, right? But it's slower than gold. Gold is outperforming essentially everything. And the reason why I think this is happening, right? It's not outperforming XRP or Bitcoin, however, but it's outperforming the overall stock market. The reason why I think this is happening is because people are very worried about inflation. They're very worried about bubbles. They're worried about AI collapsing, which will take the S&P 500 down with them. So it's a flight to safety. Now, I actually think that Bitcoin is a similar flight to safety, and a lot of you guys think that XRP could be a similar flight to safety. I don't think XRP is there right now. However, who knows what will happen in the future? And I do have my bag of XRP that I'll essentially hold forever in the hopes that one day it goes to the absolute moon. But I will take profits along the way, and I will be trading this, and I will be closing these trades because I want to bank the profit, because I think we will go into another bear market eventually. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section. And if you do want to trade with XRP as collateral, or with anything else you want as collateral, or you just want to trade the markets, spot or futures, I do have a link to BYDFI down there in the description. There is a massive prize pool up for grabs for the XRP community here, and BYDFI also works really well if it's just an exchange that you're wanting to add to your list. So I'll leave the affiliate link down there in the description for you guys to check out, read the terms of service, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.